taga dito yun ah.
You're still tuned in to Balik Bayan, and our coverage of the festive 2009 Galila 100 Islands Fiesta in Alaminos, Pangasinan continues. This time, we welcome you to the 100 Islands Iron Chef Cook Fest, where the best and most well-known chefs and instructors from 8 different schools and training centers come together to show off their kitchen expertise. The participants' main goal? Mag-imbento ng bagong putahe gamit ang ilang lokal at pamilyar na mga lasa at elemento. Siyempre pa, our celebrity tour guide tonight, Chef Rosebud Benitez, a proud Pangasinense herself, was more than willing to act as one of the judges in this competition.
Going to culinary school now, and since our family is into the bar business, I decided why not upgrade the food of the bar. So yun, I went into culinary school, and that's when I learned how to cook.
Grabe guys, sobrang exciting yung challenge natin today. O ano? Ano?
Teka, exciting ba yun mo? I got my TV break during the year of 2005. I had to audition for another cooking show, and it was Katuk. I was with 6 other chefs. And then after that, I got offered in Sona Quickfire, which I happily accepted. It's a 10-minute segment lang na cooking show. Pero gusto nila naming maingganyo ang mga tao to learn how to cook for themselves or for their family. Kasi hinahanap ko na qualities na isang chef, kailangan dyan yung cleanliness. Kailangan mise en place, yung everything in order. Like for them, they're a team. Yung isang chef, siya yung nag-handle ng vegetables, and the other one is handling the meat, which is right. Kasi ayaw naman natin pagsamahin yung ating meat with our vegetables. Ito na yung hirapan na sila. Ayoko na masyadong complicated. I want to taste all of the food components ng tama-tama. It's simplest form na hindi masyadong komplikado.
So which school was able to bring home the bacon? Congratulations, WellCare Training Center, for beating everyone else with their calderetang kambing with a twist. Mula sa pasiglaban ng mga pinakamatitinik na chef ng probinsya, let's move on to another competition. This next one is even bigger, mga dehero. Malaki talaga!
Ako si Marionia, ang may pinakamalaking talong.
Ako si Roland Soriano. Ako ang may tanim nitong pinakamalaking ampalaya.
Ako po si Jaime Peralta Abara. Ito ang pinakamalaking tanim kong kalabasa.
Dedicated to promote agriculture in the province, this so-called Techno Caravan is a much-awaited event in the fiesta. Sikat na sikat kasi ang contest dito ng mga pinaka.
Arbs, hindi ko ito kaya. Napakalaki nito.
Kaya mo yun.
Itong upo na to.
Napakalaki talaga na upo na yun, at marami tayong malulutong tinola dyan. Kasi dito sa Pangasinan, ito yung isa sa mga piniteacher nila during the fiesta. Yung mga palakihan ng mga food products. Meron na tayong gulay, meron tayong prutas, meron tayong talaba, meron tayong mais, di ba? Kaya maganda dito sa Pangasinan eh. Yan ang yan pinakamalaki ng upo. Kaya mo
Actually nga eh. Dito natin malalaman na talagang, you know, ang Pangasinan nagpo-produce ng mga malalaking bagay.
Yes.
Kaya nga, I'm proud to be a Pangasinense. Gusto ko malaman, pag malaki siya, nawawalan ba siya ng flavor? Kasi
di ba usually pag mga prawns, gano'n?
Oo, pag mga may isda.
Malalaki na ang mga malalaki. Hindi, pareho pa rin yan.
Pareho pa rin pag sa gulay.
Oo, walang kaso yan.
Hindi ako nakakain ng palaya.
Hindi ka ba nakakain ng palaya? Bakit? Gulay mo, igigisa mo siya with
Pero
egg.
ang palaya lang talaga hindi ako
Hindi talaga.
Never ko natikman.
Pero alam mo, parang hindi maging mapait yan. Rub it with some salt.
Tapos hindi na siya magano'ng kapakla.
Parang hindi na siya pait.
Kasi sabi nila wala raw siyang nutrients.
Yeah, so...
Para lang siyang tubig. Magbibigay pa siya ng uric acid or something. Tama ba yun?
Oo, totoong wala siya masyadong nutrients.
Okay.
Hindi yung completing wala, pero meron. So what you can do, like ako, gusto kong ginagawa sa talong, ginigrill ko. Tapos sinutorta ko siya. Either you put, diba, beef, o kaya yung crab meat, mahilig ka pa sa mga ganun.
Paborito ko yun.
Flat Plaques of recognition and some useful cash prize were awarded to the winners. Mabuhay ang Agrikultura Pangasinan! Up next, what's a trip to Alaminos without a tour of the enchanting 100 Island?
Balik Bayan.
Taga dito yun ah.